Hello friends, so today I'm doing unboxing of another video. So I've got another backpack from Bagsmart. So it's here. It came in this bag. I've got it on Amazon. So let's open it up. I've got previous videos also backpacks, so you can check it out. But I like also this one. So let's take it out. Wow! This one is even heavier than previous one. So it must be like more substantial. So I'll open it up and take out. So this one is made from the same kind of material as previous one. Wow! This one has design like this. Wow, this one is bigger. So it's like this. The design looks like Canon backpack. But so at front it has this kind of pocket that you can open. Wow, what's this? I think this one is some lunchbox area. Yeah, because I saw a video on this Amazon thing. So it has like here slouching down the area for main things, and then here you have area where you can put like a lounge box or even a camera. Actually, I can put here camera and close it. And here some accessories or even lenses. Or I have a lunch box. I can buy a lunch box and put it here. And I have elegant lunch box area design for it. That's cool. Or even drinks. And then you close this one. And it has compartment. Oh, this one is together zipped like here, and you open it like so, and then you have two handles. So that's really interesting. And then you have here compartment which opens like so. Wow, I didn't know. See? So this part has some stiff material here that prevents from changing the shape. Because this has this kind of shape. And then this compartment is really deep. You can put here really many things. Look how deep. So you can put here even some shoppings. And then it has here a zipper pouch, a zipper pocket, where you can put some documents or something important, and then it doesn't go all the way to the end. Wow, that's funny how deep it is. And then it goes like back, look guys. And then, and see, this one is also option that it can be travel one, because it has this thingy here, which allows you to put on your suitcase here. And then this backpack, this light is so bright, also has pocket for your laptop here, which is weird shape, but it's padded on both sides. And here you have laptop case, 15-inch I think. See, that's nice. This part is padded and this one too. Normally such a backpack costs even $120, like Canon bigger ones cost this much, and they don't even have so many compartments. And this one has laptop, and here one, and also here. So this is bigger bargain than the Canon one, and it also has nicely padded straps, and it has the bottom compartment or pocket on both sides here. You can put your bottle and you don't have to worry. As in my Canon, they are too shallow and you cannot even put bottle inside, which is so annoying. And then I have to put it inside and worry sometimes that it will spill on my camera or other things. But I bought the organizer that has some holder, cup holder. But yeah, this backpack is really nice. And it has here some thingies, loops, how you call it, that you can attach something to it, and you can regulate these straps really well. And in my Canon one, they are not regulatable and they are slightly tight here, so they are more like not so good. Because they not regulate. This backpack is a little heavier. It's about 1.7 pounds, because I read on that Amazon page. It says dedicated to combining function and style. Bagsmart offers a smarter way to travel. We use quality materials and focus on the details, all while keeping you in mind. We strive to make our products simple yet intelligent solutions for everyday life, so you can enjoy the journey rather than worry about packing for it. And here you have some social media to them. And yeah, so here next time I travel, I might take this backpack instead of suitcase, but then it might be heavy to carry it around, because here I could put my laptop inside my documents and thingies like clothes, maybe some other things like cell phones. And here food in totally different place. Then you don't have to worry that you get dirty from food. Or actually you could put here food and here some things like camera or lenses in this compartment. So that's a really cute backpack. And it has these things that you can connect together like so. And this also has the way zipper on both sides. It's really cute. Okay, I will show you how it looks on me. Can wear like so. It's cute. Hope you enjoyed my unboxing. Links will be down below. You can check out my blog, which is meganlike.com, and subscribe to it through mail subscription or blog. So don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell to be notified, because I will upload more videos, maybe also vlogs. Yes, I will see you in the next one. Bye.